Hi everybody, this is Peter Hudson. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my ultimate home search tool, and you're on this page right now. So if you'll scroll down, you're going to see this picture right here. And if you click anywhere on the picture, it's going to take you over to my tool on Nest Me. In this area, just type in the city for which you are wanting to find a home. So I typed in Mesa, Arizona, and then just click search right here. It's going to ask you a few questions, such as how much money do you want to spend on a home? It's going to be right here in the middle at $1 million, and you can take that up or you can take it down. So for today, I'm going to look at houses that cost about $450,000, and this shows me what the monthly payment would be more or less on that house. On the next page, it asks you, when do you want to buy? As soon as possible, which is 0 to 60 days, sometime soon, in the next 4 months. I'm not in a rush, in the next 6 months, or someday. I'm going to click on as soon as possible. Then it asks you, how important are good schools to you? Very important, somewhat important, or not so much. I don't have school-age children, so to me, it's not so much. Which type of home would you like? Do you want a detached home, an attached home, meaning a condo or a townhome, or either? I want to look for detached home, so I'll click there. How many bedrooms are you looking for? 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 plus? I'm going to just type 3 bedrooms for now. And then how old of home are you looking to buy? Less than 10 years old, 10 to 50 years old, or 50 years or more? I'm going to click on less than 10. Next, it's going to ask you how many stories. A 1-story, a 2-story, or it doesn't matter. I'm going to click on 1 story because that would be good for me. How many square feet? I'm going to leave it right there at about 2,500 feet. So I will click next. And then it will ask me, what size of lot or yard do you want? Small, medium, or large? Small is good for me. That's less than 10,000 square feet of a lot. Now it's going to go through and show me a lot of different houses. And as you can see over through here, you'll see a number. Right here it shows the number 100. And over here that shows the number 95. Down here 94. So this is showing me this particular house hits 100% of the parameters that I set. So I can click on here in a few minutes and then I'll show you that house. Also over through here in this area you can click on these icons for the map view, and this again shows you the different houses that could fit the parameters for you. Then over here you can see how these icons and their color match up to what you're looking for. A blue icon is going to be 75% or more of what you're looking for. The yellow icon might be 50 to 75%. If you see a red icon, that means that it doesn't really match up, but they want to show it to you anyway. So you can see the map view here. I'm going to click on this house, and then it's going to give you this view. Here is the address right here. This shows me how many square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 8,243 square foot lot. I can see that the house has a 3-car garage, which is nice. And then if I click over here, I can go through and look at the different pictures of the house. So I can scroll all the way over and get really a virtual tour by way of all these great photographs. That backyard is beautiful, isn't it? Especially that pool. Then if you scroll down, you're going to see information about the house again. 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 2,371 square feet, 8,243 on the lot, built in 2017. That's great. And then $189 per square foot. This also gives you general information about the house in the write-up. And then scroll on down, and there you'll see more information about the house. The payment calculator is there. All the different details are through here, and you just keep on scrolling down and you will see just great amounts of information all about the house. So look around. I hope that this tool helps you, and if I can be of any assistance to you with any of these houses or in other areas, please let me know, and thanks for watching. Thank you.